Jun Mizutani retirement announcement. The reason is poor eyesight. He said, completely away from table tennis. Goodbye, Jun Mizutani. 6 table tennis medalists, including Jun Mizutani and Mima Ito, who won the first gold medal in the Tokyo Olympics mixed table tennis doubles, held a press conference yesterday.
なんかこう本当に実感はできてないんですけど。
Mizutani explained his intention to retire from active professional playing, saying, "I'm glad I came to Tokyo Olympics as a culmination and got the best result there. I will be completely away from table tennis." In 2019, after winning the men's single championship for the 10th time in the All Japan Championship, Mizutani felt eye discomfort. At today's press conference, Mizutani said, "Honestly, if the eyes can be cured completely, no matter if you are 40 or 50 years old, you want to play table tennis. However, the current situation is that there's no cure. Although I'm not reconciled, but I feel the adventure of it so far." According to NHK, Mizutani, who won the mixed double gold medal at the Tokyo Olympics, announced his retirement. At the press conference held in the morning, Mizutani said that although the final decision has not yet been made, "I think I will leave table tennis altogether." Mizutani expressed his intention to retire due to eye discomfort. The Tokyo Olympics is the 4th Olympic game of Mizutani. At the Rio Olympics 5 years ago, he won the men's team silver medal and the men's single bronze medal.
It doesn't do anywhere. Focus on the next point every time. And Jun Mizutani.
Gol var. Rolly.
最初に撮ったからなんかコレクションしたい。
村行くか1階の寿司屋さん行く。
While the teammate is happy, Kokidiwas was eating alone. He seemed a little bit tired and sad.
Smash.
He wins it. Oh my goodness!
最終ゲームです。厳しく押し寄せる。しのぐ技にもテンションのある水谷。カウンターだ。帰ってくる。しのぐ。曲げてくる。作り上げる。速い打点。帰っている。よっしゃ。よし。
Due to the eye problem that he has suffering for several years, Mizutani clarified his intention. "I haven't made the final decision, but I think I will be completely away from table tennis. If I'm completely cured, I could like to do it at age 40 or 50, but there's no cure. I'm sorry, but my adventure is here." Jun Mizutani is also a favorite player of Japanese team. Mizutani is a great war of Japan. Thank you very much, Mizutani. Thank you for your dream and goodbye.
第二个呢比较放得开，也总结了昨天跟我们看下这个球。
王浩不使劲儿，这时候有耐心，突然变正手，再给正手，
小上角，
You win 1 point, you think great. I'll do it again. You lose the next.
Good defense. Still got it. Oh my God.
好球！
球，这球危险了，好球！
好的，哎呀，
精彩！
继续打。
今の自分の気持ちとしては完全に卓球からは離れると